Good Saturday morning. Lefty's Wood Designs. Back with another episode. Finally got my Wen Track saw. Finally. It's almost a week and a half of battling Amazon to get it. And I got my powertec tracks for it. Never even opened this yet. Just came in. We're going to make a tool review on this. And I got my new Makita radio. Another new toy. Unfortunately, I can't turn it up and turn it on due to... But it is a nice radio. Good sound on it. Highly recommend it. It's heavy. It's definitely heavy duty. And then you got your battery pack. I got a 4 amp hour battery on it right now. And it did come with this here. But I believe you can plug it into the wall. So that's what I'll probably end up doing, because I'm going to use this for the shop. And keep my little Bauer one for for at work. Which I'm going to take a video of what I do at work coming up this week. Nothing exciting. I just build grills for Lowe's. I'll show you what I do during the week if I'm not woodworking. But yeah, this is a really beefy radio. It's heavy duty. There's like crash bars on the front of it in case if it falls or whatever, I imagine. This comes down, the antenna comes off, you can store it. But stay tuned. I'm gonna do a video of the track saw. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.